On this video today, I'm going to show you a secret hack that you can use to make up to $420 with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for PLR articles. Once you search for that, you are going to click on the first website right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different PLR articles that you can use for free. You can see a whole lot of them. All of these articles that you are seeing, you can use them for whatever purpose that you want. And you can see they have them in a lot of different categories. You can see right here, these are the categories of articles that you can search for. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using one of these articles to make money. We are not going to sell it. We are going to use a simple trick so that we can make money with these articles. So what you have to do is that you have to select one of them. In this case, I just want to select this particular article right here, The Secret of True Love. So just click on it. Once you click on it, the article is going to open like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy this particular article. You can see it is a lengthy article, so you have to copy it. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the title. So just highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, you are going to come on Google and then search for docs.google.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on blank so that you can open a new document. Once you open a new document, what you have to do is that you have to paste your title right here. As you can see, that has been done. The title has been pasted. Once you paste the title, you are going to come back and then copy the body of the article. So just highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on your Google Docs and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The whole article has been pasted. As you can see, everything in the article, you can see everything. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to share this particular article. To share it, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, share. Once you click on share, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. Come right here, you can see general access. You can see that it is currently restricted. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select anyone with the link. Select that. Once you select that, you can see right here, you can copy the link to your article and then share it with anyone that you want. So just click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to click on done. So anytime you paste the link on a new tab, you are going to see the article. So let me just try it for you to see. So let me just paste the article right here. As you can see, this is the article. So anyone who has the link is going to see this particular article. Once you copy your link, you're going to come on this website, Cpagrip.com. Once you come on the website, what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts. So just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you scroll down, you are going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on the sign up button, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to enter your first name, last name, your company name. So if you don't have any company, just type any name that you want. Once that is done, the website, if you don't have a website, you can see it is not a compulsory field, so you can leave it. Once that is done, you are going to enter your street address. You can see that is required, so you have to enter that. Once that is done, you are going to select your country. Once you select your country, you are going to select your city, select the region, and then enter your zip code. Once that is done, you are going to enter your phone number right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your Skype name. Once you enter your Skype name, you can see right here, you are going to select the publisher type. So just click on it. You can select any of these options. Once you select the publisher type, you're going to enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password. You can select your time zone right here. Once that is done, you are going to tell them where you heard about them. Once that is done, you are going to accept the terms of use. So make sure you check all these boxes. Just check all of them. Once that is done, you're going to click on register so that you can register for your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, people are using this platform to make thousands of dollars. You can see it right here. You can see some of them right here. As I scroll, you can see many people who are using this particular website to make money. So you can see right here, somebody has made a lot of money using this particular website. So now what we are going to do is that we are also going to use a simple hack to make money on this website. So you just come right here. Once you come right here, you are going to click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, you are going to select URL/file lockers. Once you click on URL/file lockers, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select right here, I agree to the terms of service. Just select that. Once you select that, you are going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock the link to our article. So just give a name right here. Just type any name that you want. So just type something like article. You can just give it any name that you want. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, click on template. You want to select a template whereby when people click on your link, they can see that template before they take action. Once you select the template, you can see a whole lot of different templates that you can use. You can see many of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select one of them. So I usually prefer this one. So just click on it so that you can select it. Once you select it, you can see this is the template. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to click on general so that you can go back. Once you come back, the next step is that you are going to insert the link that you want to lock right here. So this is where you are going to paste the link to our article. So just paste it right here. As you can see right here, this is the link to our article on docs.google.com. So once you have your article, you can see right here show offers. So you are going to select the number of offers that you want your potential visitor to see when they click on your link. You can see right here the default is 3. So when your potential visitor click on your link, you can see choose survey. They are going to see 3 offers. You can see the offers right here. What I usually do is that I enter 2. So you can enter 2 or more, whatever number that you want, you can enter that. Once that is done, you can see right here access times. You can select any of these periods. In this case, I'll select forever. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can click right here show offers so that you can see the offers that your potential visitor is going to see when they click on your link. So just click right here show offers manager. Once you click on that, you can see the offers that your potential visitor is going to see when they click on your link in the United Kingdom. You can see the offers right here. You can see the payout right here. So once anyone from the United Kingdom click on your link and then complete any of these offers, you are going to be earning the payout right here. You can see everything. So let's search for Spain. So people from Spain, when they click on your link, the amount that you are going to earn. So let me just search for that. As you can see right here, when people in Spain click on your link, they are going to see the offers like this. So anytime they complete the offers, you are going to be making money. You can see this offer right here. If you get people to complete it in Spain, you are going to be earning $8.21. You can see $8.21. You can see right here $1.02. You can see many more. So the next step is that you are going to click right here save. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here get links. Once you click on get links, you can select a tracking domain right here. So just click on it and then select any tracking domain that you want. You can see they have a lot of them, so just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select it, you can see right here, this is the link that you are now going to promote. So you have to get people to click on this particular link so that they can complete the offers before they get access to the article that you've logged. So you can just click right here copy link so that you can copy your link. But before we copy the link, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on this particular link and then complete the offers for you to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on Facebook. Facebook is one of the platforms that you can use to drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate links, but most people are doing it the wrong way. Some people are posting their links into wrong groups. That is why they don't get clicks. Some of them get banned. So what you have to do is that you have to find a group where you can post your link to the people who really needs it. If you post it on a wrong group, you're not going to get people to click on it, and more to the point, you are going to be banned. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to search for translations. So just search for translations. Just search for that. Once you search for translations, you are going to click right here groups. Once you click on groups, you can see a whole lot of different groups that you can get people to translate your article. You can see translation agency, you can see all language translations, you can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to join these particular groups. You can see this particular group has about 84k members. You can see it right here. So you can click right here to join the group. You can see there are many of them. You can see right here, this one has 8.1k members. You can join that group. So you have to join a lot of them. Just join as many as you want. Just join them. I've joined this particular one, so I'm going to use it to demonstrate step by step on how to use this method to make money. Once you join the group, you are going to open it like this. So in this case, what we are going to do is that you are going to click right here write something. Once you click on write something, you are going to post something right here inviting the group members to click on your link so that they can get access to a translation job. So what you have to do is that you have to post a text like this. You can see right here, hey everyone, are you looking for a new translation job? You have got an exciting opportunity for you. Our company is currently hiring translators for a new project and we are looking for talented individuals to join our team. If you are interested, please click on the link below to learn more and apply for the position. You can see right here you have to insert the link that you've logged. Once you paste your logged URL right here, they have to complete offers before they get access to the article. So just paste it right here so that you can get many people on this platform to click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money. So just come back on Cpagrip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to search for this website cartily.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, click on shorten so that you can shorten the link. Once you shorten the link, you are going to click copy. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back on Facebook and then paste your link right here. So just delete this, delete it, and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to post it onto a group so that you can get people to complete the offers for you to make money. So just click right here, post, so that your post can go live onto the group. As you can see right here, it is posting. As you can see, they are asking you to select these rules. So just click right here, I agree to the group rules. Once you agree to that, you are going to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, your post has been submitted onto the platform. So the administrator will approve it so that you can get people to click on your link and then take the necessary action. You can just send an email to this particular email right here. Just send an email to them telling them that you have a job offer and they have to approve your post so that many people can take advantage of it. Make sure you send them a private message through this particular email. There are many groups that you can join and then post your link. So make sure you keep on posting to different groups so that you can get many people to complete the offers for you to make money.